Hello everyone, Wayne Motts, the President Emeritus and Historian here at the Gettysburg Foundation, coming to you on a beautiful sunny day at the Gettysburg battlefield. I've got the Daniel Klingel Farm, an important farmstead here during the Battle of Gettysburg right behind me, and the Emmitsburg Road. Now, if you know anything about the Battle of Gettysburg, you know this is a critical location right in the eye of the storm for the Battle of Gettysburg, July 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 1863. On the 1st, the Union Army went right by the front door of the Daniel Klingel Farm, and on the 2nd and 3rd, this farm is heavily involved in the fighting on the battlefield at Gettysburg. Everyone, we need your help. We've got a critical request for you, and it's the preservation on behalf of the Gettysburg National Military Park for the reconstruction of the Daniel Klingel Farm, one of the most significant properties here on the Gettysburg battlefield. And this takes us right back to our roots at the Gettysburg Foundation, which is battlefield preservation. You may know the history behind it, but for 4 decades, the Gettysburg Foundation and the Friends of the National Parks of Gettysburg prior to that have been involved in preserving the Gettysburg battlefield through our partners, the Gettysburg National Military Park. And that includes the burying of the power lines right over here next to this home, and the critical little round top project just recently opened. For more information on giving to this important project for our Giving Tuesday, please see the Gettysburg Foundation's website and all its social media channels. So for those of us here at Gettysburg, we're asking you to help save this property so that for future generations of youth and families, they can come and see it here and understand the history behind it for July 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 1863.